In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim and use an Uber voucher on your account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to uber.com. Make sure you're using a stable internet connection so the page loads properly and you can complete the process without interruptions. Once the website opens, give it a moment to fully load so all buttons and account options appear correctly. Next, log into your Uber account. Use the usual sign-in method connected to your account and make sure you're accessing the correct profile, especially if you have more than one account or device. This is important because the voucher will be saved directly to the wallet of the account that is currently signed in. If you claim it under the wrong account, it may not be available when you try to place an order later. After you're logged in, find the voucher link that was sent to you in your email or campaign message and open it. When you click the link, it should take you directly to the voucher claim page on Uber. If the page doesn't open correctly at first, double check that you're still signed in on the same browser before trying again. That helps ensure the voucher connects properly to your account. Once the voucher page appears, click Claim Voucher. This step saves the voucher to your Uber wallet. After claiming it, the offer is typically attached to your account automatically, so you usually won't need to enter any code manually. It's a good idea to wait a few seconds for the confirmation to complete before moving on, just to make sure the voucher is fully added. When you're ready to use it, choose the ride or food delivery you want through Uber. As you go through checkout, the voucher should automatically apply as long as your order meets the voucher criteria. This usually means the offer must be used for an eligible service within the valid dates and sometimes with a minimum order amount or other conditions. If the discount doesn't appear, carefully review the voucher terms in your account to confirm that your ride or order qualifies. And that's it. Once everything matches the requirements, the voucher will be applied automatically at checkout, helping you save on your Uber ride or food delivery.